Greetings from the SCIENTUIT. Following are the few updates as of 21st April 2020. WhatsApp group calls can now support up to 8 participants, be it audio or video. The Government of India launches Say Namaste app to tackle security issues of popular video conferencing apps such as Zoom. Users can use it on their desktops or laptops with no additional app installation. Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company says the production of 3 nanometer chips remain on track for 2021 despite the pandemic. As an effort to make podcasts easier to discover, Spotify launches curated podcast playlists. Spotify rolls out 28 new curated podcast playlists that are categorized into different categories and genre. This one's for the gamers. After adding a Deadpool skin to Fortnite Season 2 Battle Pass earlier this month, Epic Games has notified that the next major in-game event in Fortnite will be a concert headlined by rapper Travis Scott, named Astronomical. The concert will also feature the likes of Marshmello and Ninja. Coronavirus or COVID-19 can be curbed by practicing social distancing. Always cover your mouth and nose with a mask or a handkerchief. Also, please make sure that you dispose the mask properly after use. Avoid going out and stay indoors as much as possible. Wash your hands with soap frequently, and also keep an alcohol-based sanitizer handy. Last but not the least, kindly avoid touching your face. Let's stay together, let's stay united, we can overcome this. That's a wrap for now. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for our daily content. You can ping us on WhatsApp at 900-8766-070 for your daily dose of tech and science. We're available 24/7 on all the social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. You can find us with @thescientuit, which is spelled as THESEIENTUIT. Stay happy, stay connected, stay techy. Cheers!